Guys, so we are starting a new series of recreating AI TikTok videos for free, in which I'll basically be recreating all of the videos that you see, on TikTok and whatnot. And I'm gonna show you the complete process. You can recreate those videos for absolutely free without paying a single dollar. So if you want me to work on any specific video of your choice, if you have any suggestion, you can comment down below, or you can directly DM me on Instagram at aizenstudios.yt, and I can basically recreate that video for you. I can show you the entire process. You can create that video. The main thing is without spending a single dime. So yeah, without further ado, you guys, let's just go ahead and jump right into it. All right, guys. So for the first episode, I basically taken this channel as a reference, Fruity Episodes, and if I go to the popular section on this video, so you guys can see this video has gotten 3 million views, and if I play this,
hey, I ain't asking for much, cuh. Just a little help.
so yeah, this video has been really going viral lately. So we have an avocado, and then we have this girl with exaggerated lip. So as you guys can see the sign over here, this video shows it was completely generated with Google Gemini and Google VEO3. So I'm going to show you the complete process. You can create this video without paying a single dollar. So first of all, for recreating this video, you need to go ahead and download this video, and then you need to come inside of Google Gemini. Simply gonna upload your video right over here, and then you'll say, can you analyze this video and tell me the story and characters of this video? So then Google Gemini is going to basically analyze the whole video for me, and then it has defined the characters. So first one we have is the avocado, then we have the wealthy woman, and then we have the suitors, and then it has also basically generated a story for us that's been going on in this video. So we have first of all the encounter, then we have the realization, then we have the quest, the rivalry, the extreme makeover, the happy ending. Okay, so this is the story that we have. So now with all this information, it's really easy for us to straight away generate, regenerate this video. So you can do two things. First, you can simply regenerate this exact same story with different characters, or you can use the same characters, or basically change the story, right? So that's exactly what I did. I basically told Google Gemini, can we go ahead and change this story to something else, like any other funny, humorous, exaggerated kind of story with same characters. So I've chosen same characters. Make sure the story makes sense and is brainrot humorous, like with other contexts. So then we have the new story now with the same characters, the lore, the great risk tax of Bel Air. So it has basically generated that brainrot story, which has all of those things, like no risk. Then we have Sigma. Then we have NFTs of diamonds, negative rays, skibbity juice, and all of those funny words. So now with the help of this, we can basically go ahead and recreate our TikTok video without any problem. And then in the next chat, I basically directly said, now I want to go ahead and generate this story. So I'll do it with two steps. First, generating images, and then converting those images to videos. So now kindly go ahead and analyze the story, and then generate me images in JSON format. So JSON format is really important if you want your images to be well defined, well formatted. So JSON format is the best way to go. And then I said, so that I can generate the images, and then in the next chat we can generate video prompts that would also be in JSON format with dialogues and everything. So provide separate prompts, in separate tabs. The images would be in 9:16 vertical aspect ratio. And then after that, Google Gemini basically generated all the scenes for me in separate tabs, in JSON format, in 9:16 aspect ratio. So now you guys can see our image prompts are ready, so we can start generating these images in Google Gemini. So then I'm gonna go ahead and open a new tab of Google Gemini. Make sure first of all you select create image over here, and as you guys can see, I'm using the free version. I have no subscription turned on right now. So let's just go ahead and start generating images. First of all, I'm gonna go ahead and take the first scene from here, first prompt, simply paste that in Google Gemini right over here, click on submit. That's it, and it has started generating the image for me. So I'm going to show it to you guys once it's done. All right, so here we have our first image. You guys can see looks absolutely perfect. There is no problem in this image whatsoever. So similarly, I'm going to go ahead and start generating my second scene. So I'm gonna simply copy this prompt, come back into Google Gemini, paste it right over here, and make sure there is one tip for you guys. If you want your images to be consistent, like, if you don't want your characters to, like, change in every scene, if you don't want your background to be changing in any, like, other scenes, so you can use the first image that you generated in Google Gemini as a reference. So how you do that, it's really, really simple. Simply do right click, click on copy image, paste that image right over here. So now that image is in reference, and now your second scene will come as very, very consistent to your first scene. Okay, so that is a tip. Make sure you follow, you guys, right? Click on submit. All right, and after some time, your second image is ready as well, as you guys can see, and it looks really, really consistent. Like, the background, the character, each and everything is exactly the same, you guys, right? All right, so after that, similarly, I'm going to go ahead and generate all of my scenes just like that by using the same trick that I showed you, using the previous image as reference and just copy pasting your prompt. And now I have all of my images ready. So now what I need to do is I need to simply go ahead and convert those images into videos. So for that, what I'm going to do is I'll be using Google Flow, and inside I'll be using Google VEO3 or Google Omni for creating videos. All right, so I'm going to go to Google, search over here, Google Flow, click on the first link of Google Flow, open your new project. And over here, I'll be selecting videos, ingredients, 9:16, 1x, and Omni Flash, and make sure your duration is set to 10 seconds, you guys, right? And mind you guys, this will only take 15 credits for one video. And if you have your new account for Google Flow, so you'll get 150 credits, which means you'll be very easily be able to generate 10 videos in one account without paying a single dollar. So yeah, that is really, really handy, you guys, right? So first of all, once all of your images are ready, you're gonna go ahead and start by simply uploading all of your images right over here inside of Google Flow, just like that. And now it's time to generate our videos. Okay, so first of all, I'm gonna select my first scene, which was this. Simply drag it over here to add ingredient one, and then we have to basically copy paste our prompts. So now we're gonna go ahead and be generating video prompts inside of the same chat of Google Gemini where we generated the image prompts. So then in the next chat, I'm gonna simply say, now provide me the video prompts with complete dialogues, and make sure it's Black people language, because as you know, nowadays TikTok videos are all Black people language using the word "ka" everywhere. So yeah, that makes it very, very funny, and that we have to achieve. So that's exactly what I said. Black people language with Black slangs and accent, and also hood language too. Like, there would be "ka" word in every sentence, etc. Okay, so that I mentioned. And then basically Google Gemini provided me with all the video prompts of the images that we just generated. And now we're gonna do the same thing. Scene one, I'm gonna copy this video prompt, come back to Google Flow, simply paste that right over here, click on generate. And similarly, I'm gonna go ahead and do exactly the same for all the rest of my videos. Okay, all right, so once all of my videos are done, let me just go ahead and show you the first the one video that I generated for your reference.
Yo, I'm just trying to get a little bite to eat, cuh.
You looking real dry out here, so I'm finna bless you with this motion, cuh.
On God, you just handed me a whole fortune, cuh.
So yeah, that turned out really, really good. Let me show you another video.
No cap, she just paid my whole Riz tax, cuh. I'm finna pull up on my new whip and make her my wifey, cuh.
So yeah, that is really, really good. The "ka" word, the Black language, the hood, accent, that is really, really good. So now, once all of my videos are done, simply you need to go ahead and download this from this download button. And then the last step is you need to go ahead and edit all of your clips together in one go. So for that, you can use any video editor of your choice. You can use Filmora, you can use CapCut. So I'll be using Filmora in this case. So I've uploaded all the clips right over here inside my media section. Simply need to go ahead and just drag and drop all of your images together in one go, just like that. And then for the background music, I'll be using the same background music that you see in these kind of videos, which is this. So yeah, this is the classic one for these kind of videos. And once it is uploaded to my timeline as well, I'm gonna simply export this video, and let me show you the final output, you guys.
Yo, I'm just trying to get a little bite to eat, cuh.
You looking real dry out here, so I'm finna bless you with this motion, cuh.
On God, you just handed me a whole fortune, cuh. No cap, she just paid my whole Riz tax, cuh. I'm finna pull up on my new whip and make her my wifey, cuh.
Look at this ice on my wrist, cuh. Y'all got zero aura and you're boring me to death, cuh.
These Chads think they got game.
They think they stand a chance, but I'm literally above them all, cuh. I'm finna drop down from the heavens like a real Sigma, cuh.
It's time to inject this skibbity juice and lock in my mewing streak, cuh. My jawline finna be so sharp it'll slice through the haters, cuh. These lips are about to dominate the whole streets, cuh. Who got the ultimate riz now, cuh?
On God, those giant lips are hitting so different, cuh. You're my official husband, cuh.
We locked in for life, cuh.
So yeah, there you have it, guys. This was the easiest method. You can go ahead and recreate these kind of videos by using free AI tools without paying a single dollar. So if you guys want me to work on any specific video of your choice, any TikTok video, just comment down below. You can share me the link. You can DM me on Instagram at aizenstudios.yt. And that's it for today's video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'm gonna see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.